Hello everyone, I welcome you to the Saladmaster cook along. Today we are doing a very special event and very fun, which is the cook along with Saladmaster. So what happens basically is our chef Caesar demonstrates a recipe to the three contestants, and then they repeat it and we see who does it best. So as you can see, the cookware of the day is the Saladmaster food processor. So he shows how to slice the ingredients as he's doing right now. Everybody follows. Today's recipe is the crystal egg spring roll, which is basically wrapped inside the Vietnamese rice pepper. It is basically scrambled eggs and vegetables wrapped carefully inside it. Our chef is doing it right now and everybody is following, and then they're going to demonstrate it as well. Believe us, the taste is amazing, and this is a very healthy recipe that you're gonna need to make for yourself and your family. So after the contestants have a sample testing, they're gonna begin. Please have fun watching this.